The experiences we go through in our early years can have profound effects on our adult lives. Learning and behavioral problems, substance abuse, and difficult relationships are, amongst others, consequences of trauma. Studies have shown that individuals who have experienced traumatic events during their childhood are more susceptible to various physical and mental health issues. Let's take a closer look at some of these to understand trauma, its causes and impact. By the end of this video, you will learn what can you do to deal with it and become more resilient to emotional triggers. But what exactly is trauma? Traumatic events are those that overwhelm a person's ability to cope with a situation. The perception of trauma can vary from person to person. What can be traumatic for one doesn't necessarily have to be traumatic for others. However, there are certain events like experiences in childhood that lead to negative outcomes in adulthood. Studies like the ACE, or Adverse Childhood Experiences, have revealed that experiences like childhood physical, sexual, or emotional abuse and neglect induce changes in children's brains that are potentially responsible of their inability to deal with stressful situations in the future. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, and prolonged exposure to high cortisol levels can affect brain structure, functioning, and learning capacity. This results in emotional instability, cognitive challenges, like issues memorizing or associating patterns, problems adapting to the environment, and struggles with effective communication and relationships. The good news is that nothing is set in stone. Despite the negative effects of childhood trauma, with the right tools and support, you can break the pattern and take constructive steps to heal and flourish. Here's what you can do. The single most effective step that you can take is to deepen your understanding. Learn about the causes and effects of trauma, then look for techniques to reconnect with yourself. That alone will help you understanding your feelings and teach you how to regulate your emotions, adapt to the environment, and communicate better with people around you. Speak out and look for help. Reach out to therapists who specialize in helping people recover from traumatic experiences. Therapy can be a powerful tool helping you exploring and processing your past. Another effective tool is to do activities that help your thinking, feelings, and body work well together. Activities which empowers you to manage emotions, build self-confidence, and promote self-esteem like sports, yoga, and meditation. This will help you feel more in control of yourself, which makes it easier to manage your emotions. It also boosts your self-confidence and self-esteem, making you more resilient when dealing with difficult situations. Remember, healing from childhood trauma is a journey, and you are in the driving seat. With dedication and support, you can reclaim your life and break free from the past. If you know someone that is going to find it helpful, subscribe and share this video. And let's work together to become more resilient, productive, and overall happier people.